Initially, the blockchain technology presumes complete freedom and independence of the chain, in which there is no single administrator. Bitcoin is one example. However, interest of large companies and financial institutions in the new technology led to the emergence of more centralized forms of blockchain. When there is a centralized control system, while distributed data are preserved. So far, we have learned about blockchain, their benefits, challenges, how to construct a blockchain including what it comprises, etc. All in all, we have a good and basic understanding of blockchain technology and how it can be used in different business domains. Let us look at what are different types of blockchains, salient features of different type of blockchains, applicability of these different blockchain types to specific business domain or a problem. Bitcoin being the first implementation of blockchain network, it is based on open source protocol, which anyone could take, fork it, means modify the code, and start their own version of peer-to-peer money. Many so-called altcoins emerged and tried to be better, faster, or more anonymous than Bitcoin. Soon, the code was not only altered to create better cryptocurrencies, but some projects also tried to alter the idea of blockchain beyond the use case of peer-to-peer money. This is when different types of blockchains started emerging. Let us start with public blockchains and their features. A public blockchain does not have restrictions. Anyone with an internet connection can get access to the network and start validating blocks and sending transactions. Typically, such networks tend to offer some kind of incentive for users who validates the blocks. In public blockchain architecture, you can download the protocol anytime, and you will not need any permission from anyone. The public blockchains portray the ideal model that makes the technology industry so lucrative. Thus, it's completely decentralized, meaning no single organization controls the ecosystem. A public blockchain surpasses the necessity of a third party. The system has a natural flow of its own, just like a flowing river. No one controls the flow path, yet everyone uses it. So how can you define it easily? A self-governed, purely decentralized and autonomous digital public ledger. It's like that definition of democracy, of the people, by the people and for the people. Let us look at the characteristics of public blockchain. There are certain characteristics of public blockchain architecture which are: every node has access to read and write on the ledger. Anyone can download and add nodes to the system. The technology is fully decentralized in nature. It offers anonymity, which means no one can track your transactions back to you. It is a bit slower compared to a private blockchain. And what are the advantages? It provides greater transparency. Public blockchains have a commonly shared consensus among the users of the network. If someone asks, why is the public network better? The first answer will be transparency. The very reason blockchains are considered the new monetizing systems is it's transparent and no one has an exclusive control over anything. Public blockchains are a big step up from current financial systems where central and federal banks control the nature of how to transact. Also, one has to pay various charges whenever you want to send money to someone in the traditional method. Moreover, all the histories of the transactions are kept hidden, away from the public eyes, yet the participants have complete visibility and transparency available. Satoshi showed the world that our traditional systems grew too old for the information age. When the common digital ledger is shared with the mass crowd, everyone can keep track of it. This results in more transparency and no need of a third party validating the transactions. It is a decentralized structure in a true sense. The network infrastructure is fully decentralized. So, all the nodes in the system will have their very own copy of the ledger. And using the consensus algorithms, they can update the ledger efficiently. As there is no need for any central authority in any step, this type of blockchain offers the truly decentralized structure. This results in user empowerment. Anyone with an internet connection can download the copy of blockchain and has complete authority to read or rewrite it. Meaning the journal people have the control panel, not any corporation. Provides immutability. The public network is completely immutable. This means no one can tamper with the system or steal away the money. If someone tries to tamper with the blocks like double spending, all other nodes will reject the transaction. So, cases like tax fraud and many other problems can be mitigated with this technology. Let us look at the examples of public blockchain. If you want to use this type of blockchain technology, you need to understand when to use a public blockchain and when you should not. Almost all the big names in the crypto world are based upon the public blockchain like Bitcoin, Ethereum 1.0, Monero, Dash, and Litecoin, etc. And what could be the possible impact? Public blockchains have the potential to disrupt current business models through disintermediation. Almost no infrastructure costs, as there is no need to maintain servers or systems administrators, radically reduces the cost of creating and running decentralized applications, also known as dApps.